In this video, I will be solving the same first last problem of the Array-1 section. Here is the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright. So in the same first last method, we will be given an integer array nums. We need to return true if the array length is 1 or more and the first and last element are equal. Since this line has been mentioned, if the array length is 1 or more, so it signifies the array which is being passed would also be an empty array or having the length as 0. So we will need to keep this thing in mind as well. And the first and last element are equal. Let's use these examples to understand the problem better. So in the example 1, the first element of array is 1 and the last element is 3. Since 1 is not is equal to 3, hence false is being returned. In the second example, first element is 1 and last element is also 1, hence the result is true. Similarly, in the third example, the first element is 1 and the last element is also 1, hence here as well the result is true. Now we saw in our last video how can we access the first and last element of an array. So in Java language, the indexing begins from 0. Hence, in order to access the nth element, we need to pass in the n-1 index. What is the first element? First element means we will need to pass 1 minus 1, that is 0. What is the last element? In the array of having length n, so last element would be accessible at n-1th index. So now it's quite simple. In case, first of all, let us define a variable length to capture the length of the array. In case length is equal to 0, then we can straight away return false, since there is no concept of first element or last element. Else, if we come inside this else block, it means we are having an array of length having at least one element. Here we can simply write return nums 0, which is our first element, is equal to nums length minus 1, which is our last element. Now let's run our test cases to verify. Yes, all of them pass. But you know, we can also shorten this code and simply write return if length is equal to 0. If this is the case, then we can simply return false. Else, we can return the result of this boolean or this condition. Let me remove this and again run the test cases to verify. Yes, still passing. Now let us share this code on the portal and upload it to GitHub once all the test cases pass. Yes, all are correct. CLGS, 2 files added, okay, and git commit, glg, gpush, and see the code has been uploaded or not. Done.